Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, so this time I'm here at Jalan Padma Utara, and it's rainy day today. Anyway, earlier we got like very hot sun, yeah, and then suddenly we got cloudy and then rain. And also, I heard that there was a fire at the Posher pub. So let's go and see the situation here and also later at the Posher pub, guys. But all the shops here are open, and I also see some tourists doing shopping. Would you like to do some shopping here? All are open. Here also on the right side, it's nice stuff there. That swing, something like that. And this cafe, last time I saw this cafe was open, but now it seems it's closed. Not really sure what happened. Wow, look at this here. This is the Y bar. It's quite busy. Nice to see that. Let's walk around. Look at that.
Lagi nyari muka dulu.
In this kind of weather, I think it's good to just relax at the bar and have some drink. This is Pad Wall. Anyway, it's really hard to predict the weather nowadays in Bali. Supposed to be, we are finishing the rainy season, but it's been like rain on and off in the last few days, guys. And yesterday we got nice sun, no rain, but today we got some rain again. But you don't need to worry, just bring umbrella and then you will be okay. As you can see, even a lot of people, they don't even bring umbrella, they just walk around. Well, look at this, guys. This is the Posher pub. Really bad situation. It's really sad to see it, actually. Look at this. This is one of the famous bar here in Legian, but unfortunately we got fire almost the whole bar. It's really bad. It was really sad actually to see the situation there. It was very nice and lovely bar, but it's gone now. Hopefully they will be able to rebuild it again soon, so that we can go, or you can go there, spend your time and have some drink. And this is Legian Village Hotel. They have a nice pool there. I've been to this hotel before. And let's go to the right side and let's walk a little bit at Jalan Sahadewa. This street is famous with garlic lane, guys. Let's see what is happening or the situation at the moment here. But I think it's almost the same situation. A lot of shops are open. And it's nice to see quite a lot of tourists walking around in this area. At least maybe a few sellers, they can make some sales. And there is a tailor here. So if you need any tailor, you can come to this area. And here is Kuta Bali Hotel and Villas. But they have like big renovation here. I think they are fixing the restaurant area. So would you like to stay here maybe next time? And the opposite side is Blue Moon Restaurant. I like the style of the restaurant. It's very cute, isn't it? The color, I mean, the wall is white and then the color of the chair is blue. It looks very nice. And right there also this nice cafe, Happy Cafe, Warung Happy. And here on the right side is the Warung Local or the local. This place is always busy, even by these times also there are some people enjoying their food or drinks here. And that is Warung Pulu. But here there are some warungs or cafe as well. Look at that, a lot of small cafe, and there is a money changer here. And I think this money changer is good, guys. They have proper building, camera, and the rate is normal rate. Well, look at the painting there. Let's cross the road. Oh, this is nice painting. Balinese family going to the temple, which is good. I like it. And this one, Balinese people having ceremony. And right there in the front is the Legian Bar and Restaurant. Of course, by this time it's not really busy, guys. Next to it here, I think this is new place. I didn't see it before. Chubby Rabbit. Just next to the Legion. See, it looks nice. It's Billy 69. Even by this time, there are some people. Hello.
On YouTube.
Yeah. Hello. Lovely people saying hello to us. Wow, nice sandals here. I have a lot of bags as well. Wow, this one, look at this, very busy inside. Leathers collection. And for you that want to know the project of this Legian Golden Square, this is the progress. Still a long way to go, but maybe in a few months and they will open. and there will be more what you call the shopping options for you. And we are arriving here at Jalan Mas in Kuta. I think most of you know about this street. And there in the front, look at this. There are so many spas, from Yes Spa, Carla Spa, and then we have also, what is this, energy healing massage. But look at this, next to it, this is goat bar, yeah? This is very new here, goat bar. It's nice. And next to it is Sheppy's Bar and Restaurant. It's quite busy by this time because of the weather, I think. So a lot of people like to spend their time at the bar. And here is the Uncle Norm. And this is the art market here at Jalan Mas in Kuta. If you like to do some shopping, you can come here as well because they have a lot of stuff here, from clothes or dresses, bags, and also handicraft. But you need to bargain, yeah, in this kind of place. Normally they will start with a high price, and then it's your job to bargain or to lower the price. It is fine to do that. Like this, look at this. It's nice wood carving here. And the opposite side also, there is a new restaurant. It's the Duke. I hope I pronounce it correct. The Duke, where friends become family. Wow, looks nice.
Yeah, that was right.
You can eat and also you can watch a lot of sports game. There are so many TVs inside. It is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 TVs, guys, inside. This is the situation here in Legian at the moment. And we showed earlier about the pusher pub. It was very sad actually. They got fired. But hopefully the owner can do a renovation soon so that the pusher pub can open again. So that's all for today's short video update from this area in Legian. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.